Importante sa artist yung consistency. Kaya ano din doon napapasok yung kailangan put in the hard work, diba? So, tutuloy-tuloy pa kami sa mga releases namin with Jana.
Sa dinami-dami ng mga star pop artist ninyo, how do you describe Jana as an artist?
Ako madi-describe ko si Jana na very talented, no? So very, in terms of, sa craft niya as an artist, so masasabi ko na very dedicated siya. She's very unique. So kaya niyang kumanta, kaya niyang sumayaw. So Star Pop is, very proud na sali siya sa artist lineup ko. So, ayun, very talented, very unique. So, ganda yung boses. Higit sa lahat, very pretty nga.
Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Si Jana kasi is that type of an artist na very now. Kaya super bagay talaga din siya sa Star Pop as her label. Kasi, hindi siya yung traditional na OPM artist na, alam mo naman natin na ang OPM, well-loved ballads, usually expectations in the past. Pero ngayon, nung nagsisimula yung P-pop, nandun na pumapasok yung mga artists na mas upbeat yung mga songs, mas pop yung mga songs na nare-release nila. And ganun si Jana. Kaya, ayan, nakakatuwa na sobrang, sobrang siyang pride ng Star Pop kasi isa siya sa mga solo P-pop artist actually that's thriving in the scene.
Ano yung proseso, ano yung katangian or attributes para masabi niyo, actually may isa akong pinanghihinayanan, di ba? Okay. Ano yung nakikita niyo? Pero may talent talaga
Kasi kami sa ABS-CBN Music, may process talaga kami ng pagpili ng artist. So dapat unang-una kasi dapat unique yung artist. Number 2, dapat talented. Dapat as an artist, alam niya yung uniqueness niya at identity niya as an artist. So yun yung mga sinusupport namin sa mga, sa mga upcoming artists na papasok sa ABS-CBN Music. So doon pala kasi makikita mo na agad kung talagang meron ba o wala yung artist. So si Jana kasi, siyempre, unang-una nung nakita namin siya, so nakipag-meet kami kay Daddy, diba? Kay Daddy sa Daddy. So very unique. So tamang kagaya ng sinabi ni Sir John din, no? So parang very now siya as an artist. So, alam mo yun, Gen Z, di ba? P-pop, may P-pop soloist na nakakanta, nakakasayaw. So, pero ang importante talaga dapat, meron yung artist at dapat authentic sa kanya kung ano siya as an artist.
Sir John?
Actually, nasa Pilipinas tayo. Talagang ang daming magagaling kumanta, madaming magagandang gwapo. Pero through the many years na we have been auditioning, scouting, discovering artists, yung X factor na tinatawag, when you see it eh. Siguro dahil sa sobrang dami natin na nakita na talents, mahuhun talaga yung mararamdaman mo lang ito, may ito, yung sinasabi nilang X factor. And dahil sa maraming taon mo nang ginagawa, makikita mo talaga kung yung talent na to merong internal glow. Yung pag nakita mo yung talent na may iba siyang kinang, di ba? Pero hindi mo makakwalify, makaquantify kung ano yung kinang na yun. You just see it. And when you see it, you sign these kinds of artists, di ba?
Hindi mo napapakawalan.
Jana is one of them.
Ganda naman. So, how would you phone or mold Jana ngayon? Meron mo na ba kayong iniisip na title for her? Basta doon sa naunang sinabi. Paano? Ano si Jana in the future?
Importante sa artist yung consistency. Kaya, doon napapasok yung kailangan put in the hard work, diba? So, tutuloy-tuloy pa kami sa mga releases namin with Jana kasi kailangan dumami pa yung mga releases niya. Kasi yun nga, mas marami yung repertoire mo, mas malaki yung chances na magkaroon ka ng hit song. So that's going to be the plan for Jana. Release more songs next year and keep yung pagiging consistent niya sa excellent ng singles that she's putting out.
Okay, last question for Jana. How are you preparing naman sa paghahandang ito sa'yo ng Star Pop nila Sir Jonathan and Sir Rox? Kasi pagaling si Daddy Boyet yung naplano niya lahat ng gagawin mo, di ba? Lalo na with your studies and everything na kailangan i-prioritize. So now that you have this chance, ano naman yung participation mo para ibalik naman yan sa Star Pop?
Yes, actually I have everything in hand. So as I always say, I'm always grateful po dahil lahat po ng mga tumutulong sa akin nandito. Kaya din po ako nandito. And to do my part po, of course, I have to hone my skills more in performing, in singing, in dancing, and I also would want to explore more on the songwriting po. Hopefully, sana po magawa ko din po yan kasi I do have my own personal songs, pero sa akin pa lang yun. So, parang yun na lang po yung part ko to always, kumbaga, internalize the songs that I'm releasing para mas lalo kong mabigay yung message po talaga na kino-convey ng songs na yun.
This early, sa edad ko yan na napakabata pa, sa mga narinig natin, talagang napakaraming pinto ang nakabukas na opportunity for you. Yeah, you already have your singing career and then itong studies mo, malapit ka na rin naman tapos meron pang beauty, the pageant and also yung acting. Kaya mo pa ba yun? You know, when the time comes, ano yung talagang pipiliin mo?
Ang hirap ng tanong. Sobrang torn po ako dyan every time you ask me. Pero ano po parang tinitignan ko na lang siya if kung ano po yung nasa harap ko ngayon, yun yung i-prioritize ko first. And since right now we're in the music side, dito po muna tayo magfo-focus. And then probably next year, dahil hinihintay ko naman yung aking check ride to become a private pilot, I'll focus on that first. And then pasalit-salit na lang po siguro kung ano yung kaya. And again, time management, it may sound cliche, but it's the best thing in the whole wide world when you're doing a lot of things in life. And again, I'm also thankful for them kasi they understand po that other side of me of becoming a pilot din po.
This 2023, what was your greatest achievement in life?
Actually po sa sobrang dami, hindi ko mapili kung alin din yung greatest kasi I created great songs with Star Pop. I won awards po from P-Pop. Pero
Dami pala.
yes po, tapos may mga ma-receive pa by the end of this year, and I was also able to fly again after a very long time. So for that, greatest. I'm just happy to be where I am right now po, honestly. And that's the greatest achievement I have to reach this level through the help of the very supportive system that I have, not just with my family but also with the management and my bosses, yung mga co-artists ko po. I couldn't be more grateful to have them with me and knowing them as well and being able to work with them.